A good set of pruning shears can make all the difference in your gardening routine. Whether you're trimming back overgrown shrubs or simply tidying up your flower beds, the right pruners can turn a tedious task into a quick and efficient job. Finding the perfect pruning shears can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best pruning shears from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now, let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Vivison Curved Gardening Pruner Snips. The Vivison Curved Gardening Pruner Snips are designed for precision, with curved blades that help you avoid cutting anything but what you intend. Ideal for delicate tasks like trimming roses or shaping bonsai, they allow for precise cuts without damaging other stems. The spring-loaded design reduces hand strain, making it great for those with wrist issues, while the comfortable grip handles and secure locking mechanism add convenience. Perfect for both right and left-handed users, these snips are a versatile and efficient tool for detailed garden work. Be note that the blades of the blue color pruner is bent, which is specially designed, not a defective item. Curved blades help to avoid unexpected cuts to plants. When you prune plants, you can avoid all of the flowers or whatever it's not going to cut, but just get what you need. These micro-tip snips are built spring-loaded so that they automatically push themselves open without you having to do the work, which greatly reduces hand fatigue and makes these snips great for those with arthritis, carpal tunnel, hand, or wrist issues. Comfortable grip handles will make it easy to work for long-time use without making you feel hand pain. These micro-tip snips feature a safe and secure sideways locking mechanism that keeps your blades protected and closed when not in use. The design of these pruning snips are perfect to use whether you are right or left-handed with ease. Number 2. Fiskars Micro-Tip Rose Pruning Snips. The Fiskars Micro-Tip Rose Pruning Snips are a must-have for any gardener's toolkit, especially when it comes to detailed pruning tasks. With their compact 6-inch design, these shears are perfect for making those small, precise cuts that keep your garden looking its best. The micro-tip blades ensure clean cuts right to the tip, making them ideal for tasks like trimming flower stems or maintaining a tidy herb garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these shears are a reliable tool that deserves a spot in your gardening bag. Gardening Essential. With these stainless steel blade gardening shears, pruning tasks like cutting flower stems or maintaining your herb garden are easier with fast and clean cuts. Maximum power and precision. Micro-tip blades on these garden clippers, handheld, cut all the way to the tip for clean, healthy cuts, making these great plant pruning shears. Long-lasting and reliable. Stainless steel blades stay sharp through heavy use and provide excellent durability for lasting value. Fiskars garden pruners and tools are built to last. Number 3. Felco F2 Classic Manual Hand Pruner. If you're willing to invest a bit more in your gardening tools, the Felco F2 Classic Manual Hand Pruner is worth the splurge. The Felco brand is known for its quality, and these pruners don't disappoint. Perfect for medium to large hands, the pruners also feature a non-slip coating, an anvil blade with a sap groove and rubber cushion shock absorbers to reduce strain during use. Whether you're tackling light pruning tasks or need a tool that can handle frequent use, these pruners are easily adjustable and built to last, backed by a lifetime guarantee with all parts replaceable. From the outset, Felco has sought to master all industrial processes and technologies required to design and manufacture its products. Felco was established in Switzerland over 70 years ago with the following principles in mind: making the tool as ergonomic as possible, making components with the utmost precision to achieve the interchangeability of all parts, making use of the best available materials to ensure the cutting quality and durability of the tool. Number 4. Corona Forged Classic Bypass Pruning Shears. If you need a durable pruner that makes gardening easier, the Corona Forged Classic Bypass Pruner is a great choice. Made with Max Forged steel, these pruners stay sharp longer and handle both green and dry branches with ease. The hand-matched hook and blade ensure precise cuts, while the self-cleaning sap groove keeps everything running smoothly. With a comfortable, non-slip grip for medium to large hands and a limited lifetime warranty, these pruners are built to last through many seasons of gardening. Plus, Corona's commitment to eco-friendly practices adds a thoughtful touch to a reliable tool. There's a Corona pruner to satisfy virtually any cutting need or preference. The blades and hooks on each of our bypass pruners are individually hand-matched for precision, ensuring the closest, cleanest cuts with maximum cutting capacity. The Corona Max Forged Classic Cut Pruners are crafted out of forged steel for the professional gardener. Their strength and durability means everyday use isn't a problem. If you need to get job done day in and day out, you can depend on these pruners. Number 5. Liberty Garden Residential Grade Steel Hose Reel Cart. The House & Garden Classic Pro Bypass Pruning Shears are crafted from Japanese steel, ensuring sharp, clean cuts that promote healthy plant growth. With ergonomic handles, cushion grips, and shock-absorbing pads, they're designed to reduce hand fatigue and wrist strain, making them perfect for smaller hands or those with arthritis. Built from rust-resistant aluminum with titanium blades, these durable pruners are ready for any gardening task, from trimming branches to shaping indoor plants. Designed to last season after season, these shears are a reliable choice for both professional landscapers and home gardeners. Sharp, clean cuts every time. Engineered from Japanese-grade, high-carbon steel, Classic Pro Bypass Pruning Shears for gardening stay sharp for years and make precise cuts that encourage healthy growth and won't damage your plants. No more hand fatigue and wrist strain. Classic Pro gardening shears are designed with an ergonomic handle, cushion grips, and shock-absorbing pads, making them lightweight and comfortable for smaller hands, seniors, and arthritis sufferers. Rust and corrosion resistant, tired of garden shears that rust after just a few uses. Our heavy-duty pruning shears are constructed from anodized aluminum with titanium-coated blades to reduce friction and protect against rust and corrosion. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.